Hey guys, what's up? Day 1 ngayon ng celebration namin ng Chinese New Year dito sa Barco. So today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So 3 days ang celebration namin. Kaya mamaya, dinner time. Tingnan natin kung anong hinahanda ni Mayor doon. So dinner time namin eh. First day ng celebration ng Chinese New Year dito. Kasama ko yung mga Inchik tsaka Pinoy. Dito, puging-pugi. Tara, tingnan natin kung ano yung meron dito. Yan. Ayan, masarap. Maya-maya, umpisa na kami. That's Chief Engineer. Ni hao. Pagkilala ka dahil isama kita sa vlog.
Kamusta, sir?
Opo, umpisa na. Masarap, ang dami inaanda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo si Maestro. Yan, si Maestro.
New Year, Chinese New Year.
Ano.
Baka nakita yung ngipin ko, ako naman.
We are passing Unimak, Alaska. The weather is perfect today. No rain, visibility is very good. No swell. We have perfect weather today. I can see the snow on top of the mountain. And around the island, the visibility is very good. It's a fine weather today. So it's a lovely day here in Alaska. Hey guys, today is Saturday. We're gonna be having a barbecue with my crew. The weather is very good this afternoon. It's been raining with snow early this morning. I'm standing right outside of the bridge of the vessel. This is my first time snow experience this year. We are passing on the Russian near the Russian side. Look at that. Easy. I'm standing in the compass deck. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh yeah. But this afternoon now it's really good. Look at that. So it's a sunny day now here. Nandito po ako ngayon sa compass deck namin. It's a nice weather today. I'm going down. The barbecue party just started. So guys, I'm going down to say deck.
Pretty cold outside.
It's cold outside, eh?
Yeah. But it's cold. No,
yeah.
No.
Wala nga, hindi namin narinig. medyo malamig dito sa labas. Umusok yung bunganga namin. Yan o. This is my very good chief engineer. Grabihan, lumalapit dito sa barbecue grill dahil napakalamig. Umuusok na yung bunganga namin dito. So tingnan mo, nagpapainit ito sila dahil ang lamig na dito. Positive 2 ang temperature dito sa labas.
Maybe 4. Maybe 4.